Our CES 2018 coverage is powered by GoDaddy. Please support our coverage by going to geeknewscentral.com/GoDaddy. Todd Cochran here at CES 2018, part of Geek News Central coverage. We're here at Kano, and we're going to talk about one of their new kits they've got out. It's called the Pixel Kit with Joanna. Joanna, tell me about the Pixel Kit.
Yeah, sure. So here we've got a really engaging physical and digital creative coding experience. It's, as you say, a pixel kit. The first interaction with any of our kits is putting the technology together, building it, understanding what's inside. So you start with a step-by-step storybook that guides you through building your own pixel-like display. Very engaging instructions, simple to read, teaches you about light, about technology, really demystifies color and what's inside of the kit. And once you put it together, we have hours of step-by-step coding challenges with our software platform. So this here is Kano Code. It's a really engaging and intuitive way to get into coding for beginners of all ages. So what I've coded here is my own little heartbeat. So it's really designed, again, to blend the digital and physical experiences. In this case, my pixel display also responds to sound. So I've here coded that when my app starts and the microphone volume goes over a certain level, my heartbeat will get bigger. So you can sort of see it on the screen there. It's loud in here, so there's a lot of...
Yeah, it's hard to actually get a good demo. Instead of you're like in a quiet room, it would really react.
Yeah, your heart would really get exploded, but you can see when I'm speaking here right. The microphone level's going over that in volume. I clap and it gets bigger. And there's hours and dozens and hundreds of coding challenges just like this. And not only that, not only are those available on my app, but when I share this, if I'm connected online, I can share with an engaging community of other makers, other kids and adults who have made all different sorts of creations. And once I get in there and I see that someone else has made a heart, maybe I want my heart to be purple. Or maybe I want this microphone to be a little bit less sensitive because I'm in a really loud room. So I can get in there and I can change the code. And again, that community, we've had over 45 million lines of code written by children in that community. So
that's pretty awesome. So, for those folks that don't know Kano and what you guys are doing, what's your target age group for all these projects?
So I keep saying beginners of all ages. Really, our system is designed for anyone who wants to get into coding. We've had kids as young as 4 and adults as old as 99. But really, I would say our sweet spot would be between ages 6 and 14. We have in living rooms and at home as well as in classrooms, and really that age group in classrooms is between 8 and 14 years old.
Is this particular kit available now, or when's it going to be released?
Yes, so this is available now. We've got thousands of young makers using it to create projects all over the world.
So folks, some stuff going on at Kano. Of course, if you want to check it out, you go to Kano, Kano.me. That's the website. And pick up some kits, and these are great, engaging products for those coders or soon-to-be coders that are out there.
Exactly, and the other bit is in terms of where you can get the kits. So they're available online, as you say, but in Target and in Walmart, Best Buy, Toys R Us. So yeah, please come check us out.
Todd Cochran, Geek News Central here at CES 2018.